heard him. Search every corpse.
Ryder, my time is short. Lead me to...
Shh. Such a familiar tone. Were I not merciful, I would slice the skin clean from your meat. Yet you are not bleeding. For I am nothing if not merciful. Explain yourself, Vinisk.
You will call me Gestil Kithrak.
Voss, Knight Supreme. The Queen's silver, the Queen's sword.
I am who you say.
A Geik vessel has fallen from the sky. Thieves aboard have taken a weapon most precious. It is polyhedric in shape and inscribed with the sacred runes of our people.
You feel Shadowheart's anxiety. The weapon that Voss seeks. It's the artifact that she carries. Her mind focuses. The Gith's suspicions cannot be aroused. They cannot discover that the weapon they seek is right within their grasp.
Take word to your creche. You are to join our search. Speak up, child. Affirm your mandate. Sweet child, your lies sting. Has Vlaakith not demanded better?
Bend your head for the sword.
I have done no wrong, Kithrak.
Our queen's word binds me.
Beretha, see their skulls split and their corpses examined. I must fly to our undying queen.
To Danos! To the sky! Your mandate. Purified? Soon your skin will go grey, and your blood will run silver. You will shed your skin to become Geik. Only in death are the infected cleansed.
Beretha, see their skulls split and their corpses examined. I must fly to our undying queen.
A current of deception carries Voss's words, wherever he flies.
To Danos, to the sky! Child, affirm your mandate. You serve your queen well, child. Take your slaves and hunt those who escaped the Geik ship. They must carry the weapon.
I fly now to Vlaakith, our undying queen. She will see your faith rewarded in this plane and ours.
To Danos! To the sky!